Hello, hi, my name is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. Back again. This is a very special video, so to speak. We had a particular client who wanted to use us to clean their house, carpet, upholstery, tile floor, and the stairs, which I'll show you in a little bit. However, they weren't in our budget. So we decided to, the holidays are coming. We decided to take care of this for the young man who's actually doing this to surprise his dad. So that's kind of one of the reasons what promoted me to give them a considerable amount of discount. Just so that way we could take care of them. He can get the present that he wants to give his father, and just kind of happy to be a part of this, really. So let me give you a tour. This is the couch. I've already sprayed it. Family room, living room area. Also doing this ottoman. As you can see, it's really soiled. There's a bleach stain there. Here goes a kitchen tile that we're going to be cleaning. Okay. And then actually let's go through this way. This is the hallway. Also gonna be cleaning. Not gonna be cleaning this room here. And here goes the other half of the kitchen. Stairs. Stairs are in pretty bad shape. Then we're gonna come down here. These are the stairs going down. And over here is really not that bad. Nothing really too impressive. But these stairs, this is stairs leading to the front door. So it carries most of the traffic here. All right. This is the last job of the day. I really wanted to put them last so I could really take care of this, take my time. It needs it really desperately. So probably about 2 hours for this whole session. All right. Well, we'll see you guys soon. Right, there's Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. As you can see, we're all done here. I'm glad to be a part of this Christmas surprise for his father. I'm also happy that I was a company who he enlisted to get this job done. As you can see, complete night and day. Bleach stain right there, so there's nothing we could do about that. Sofa looks impeccable. As you can see, everything is actually really taken. It's not taking that long for things to start drying here. It's taking form. Here goes the kitchen tile. Pretty much night and day there. Phenomenal. Goes the hallway. And let's get a good glance back at the kitchen. Pretty good stuff. And you come out here. This was the stairs. You could probably rewind and see what they looked like before. This had to be restored. Pretty good stuff. And here's the other half of the kitchen. Let me get in here. Yeah, everything's pretty much almost dry there. Look at that. Yeah, very happy with the results. And like I said, over here really there weren't that many stains or high traffic. But there you go, right there. Looks pretty darn good. Alright guys, you guys have a happy Christmas, happy holidays, and enjoy, be safe, and enjoy with your family and friends. Alright, this is Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. Thank you.